Morning. Still got a few minutes before this turkey start gobbling. About 40 degrees this morning. Different than the past few days. It's nice, cool, calm morning. Turkeys have been real slow. Ooh, he's right jumping. Ooh. Might be able to feel. Had to step over in these woods. Can't see me now, can you? But there's a Jake in here. That might have been that Jake. We're gonna stay back in these woods, I know that. Wow. I was just thinking I need to get out in that field. It was lightening up. One's never out in that field though. This field curves around that away. The only thing to do is set right here. If he comes out in that field, maybe I can call him. And he'll think there's a hen back in this corner and walk around this point to get to her. We just gotta find us a place to set up. Let's see if he'll answer me. Call him real soft. Just gone. Big old full fan right there. 3 of them. We got lucky this morning. hen, don't they? They're about 300 yards out there. I'm gonna see if I can't cut me a hole. Find a little place to set up right here. They do just what I want them to do. Swing around the edge of this field. Wow. I couldn't see them. I don't know if I got the strutter or not. That was long beard. I saw that. He's still out there. He didn't move. Wow. I hate field turkeys. I've been hunting here 13, on this place 13 years, so I've never had a turkey roosted on this field. They're always 300 or 400 yards back in the woods, minimum, and or 200 or 300, and never come to the field. They stay in the woods. They don't get in this field. But they did this morning, and I like them messed up because I parked my car in my tractor's parked in the field, 400 yards down there. Man, I cut these holes. I started to move. I said, no, they're not gonna go in the woods. I had a hen over here start yipping back to me, real soft. And I thought, well, maybe that'll pull them right around this edge. The strutter had been leading all the way across the field, but I heard him drum. I didn't see him strut, but I heard a drum. Oh, thank you, Lord. Another beautiful day. Number 3. Got one more. We'll be done for the season here in Alabama. Where's my calls? I done put them in my pocket because I was going to move. And one time they were way out and they were headed across the field, and I thought they went in the woods, and I was going to back up a little ways in case they tried to flank around the corner of this field in the woods. But they were behind those barrels. And finally, when they hit this tree line, they came right down the tree line. Just stay right here with us. He's going to be soaking wet out there flopping in that wet grass. It's not going to be a pretty picture taker. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. Let's get out here and see what they were seeing. And those holes. I was sitting in that hole there. I might have cut the hole out a little too much. I left a little. There's it. Sitting right there against that tree behind the camera. But I knew it was so thick in there. But I left that right in the middle of me. I was afraid they were going to come up. I was afraid they were going to come up over here. And I didn't have hardly any shots. No way I could have got them on camera. Pretty more. Like 25 yards. There he is. A little further than that. He's gonna be, like I said, he's gonna be wet. Let's see what we got here. That's a pretty good turkey. Get him over here. Out of this wet grass. Get him all soaked up. Well, we got here's our wet gobbler, because he is sopping wet. That's flopping around in that grass. Field birds, I do not like them. But these, they kind of act like woods birds this morning, didn't they? It didn't take them long once they decided they were ready to move. But I got lucky because my car's just right there, 400 yards from me right now. They were roosted over here 200 yards. Once they got over here in that short grass on that road, they come right on in. Had a hen over here to my right that started yelping to me real soft. I think that helped a lot pull them around because they couldn't see over that hill. I don't know if I got the strutter. I don't care. He's a long beard. That's all that matters. But, appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe. Helps me a bunch. Hope to bring a lot of these hunts, and hope y'all enjoy them.